And we will always be here and hold space for you to come back. We will love you back. To say to the young men and increasingly some of the young women in this country that are falling into the grips of white supremacy, that find themselves getting radicalized in a funnel of vitriol towards Latinos, towards immigrants, towards African Americans, towards all people Black, towards all people Jewish, towards all people of different faiths. What I have to say to you is come back. Because there is a mother waiting for you. I know it. I know there's a teacher waiting for you saying, what happened to my kid? What happened to my friend? And we will always be here and hold space for you to come back. We will love you back.
What do we want? Gun control. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Gun control. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Gun control. When do we want it? Now.
In the horrific shooting last night in Gilroy, California, while families were...
note that I want to tell children across this country is that no matter what the president says, this country belongs